Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy Bitcoin using GPay. So in here, you just have to use the MoonPay. So in this example, we're going to be using MoonPay since we can select GPay or Google Play as the payment. So in here, you just have to select the currency. So we're going to be using Bitcoin. So you can also go ahead and put here the amount. So here, just have to select currency. So we're going to click on Bitcoin and then type in the amount that you want to buy. So let's just select 100 and then tap on continue. So from here, just have to make sure to put here the wallet address. Make sure it is the right one. Write that and then tap on continue right after. And you also have to put your email so you can receive the verification code. So just put here your email, and once you're done, go ahead and tap on continue. So here is the verification code. Just go ahead and paste here the code that is sent to your email. And after that, go ahead and continue. So in here, you can select the payment method. You have to use the Google Pay or the GPay. So you can also click on this one and go ahead and tap on this one. Once you're done, then it'll be available on your balance. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!